Now I'm going to take you people to the GUI based working with the MongoDB. Okay, so how do you access or how do you work with a GUI? Then we'll take you through this command line, and then I'll take you through the Python way of executing Mongo activity. So now what you're supposed to do, click on the MongoDB compass icon in your system. If not, you can go and search and check it off. So by default, you can directly click the connect part because it is going to connect to your local host and the port 27017. So in your system, it might store the default one like admin, config and local. And if you want something to be created for yourself, you can create. So let me create one database. To create database. Okay. So now let me take this, MongoDB testing. And you need to give some collection name by default. Okay. So let me say that, my testing. Okay. So then what you can do, click on the create database. Look at that, a MongoDB testing was created, and when you click here it will show an icon called collections. Okay, so by default you did one collection, you did created one collection, but that is not displayed here. So now that is getting displayed here, my underscore testing, correct? So now you can create one here itself, create collection. Now you can give my testing 2. Just I'm telling. Now there are 2 collections, but both of the collections are empty. Both the collections are very much empty. So now what I'm going to do is that whatever I did here, I'm going to showcase it with a MongoDB on a CLI. So now let me show in a better way. It's the easiest one. Okay. So go to this PC, C drive, program files, select M and go for MongoDB. Go to the server 4.1 bin and select the path cmd, enter. So mongo.exe. Now what you can do, you put show dbs. It is going to show the number of dbs that has been created. Now look at that, it displays even the db that we created recently, correct? So just to enter into a specific db, like most of the db, how you do, you need to use the command called use to enter into the particular database. So use MongoDB testing. So as it says on the screen, or as you see on the screen, it is now switched back to this MongoDB testing DB. So now what you can do, you can type show collections. It shows 2 collections, my testing and my testing 2. Okay. So now just to see the document that is available over there, what you can do, this db dot my testing dot find. But as of now, you don't see any output because there is no such document. Okay. Now let us create a document here. So click my testing. There you see, this will open this particular plain text. So now what is the essential thing that we're supposed to do right now? You need to add the data. What kind of data we can add? We can add a data which is in the form of dictionary. Okay. So when I say dictionary, the insertion of data into the MongoDB can happen or can run with a 3 different aspects. One, you can click on the add data and insert document you can select.